Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're zeroing in on hot water tank services.
Right.
And we're using Pacific Blue Mechanical. They work across Vancouver and BC's Lower Mainland as our main source here.
Makes sense.
Our goal, to figure out quickie why going with local experts for your hot water tank is, well, such a big deal for you.
It's definitely something people don't think about much. I mean, until that shower turns freezing cold, right?
Exactly. Especially somewhere like Vancouver. It gets damp, chilly.
Oh, yeah. Reliable hot water isn't just nice to have. It's essential for bathing, cooking, cleaning, just living comfortably.
Okay, so let's jump in. Why local? A hot water tank feels pretty standard. Why does it matter if the company knows Vancouver versus, say, Toronto? Pacific Blue Mechanical lists areas like Vancouver, North Van, Richmond, Surrey, Burnaby.
Well, that local knowledge is actually key. It's not just about geography.
How so?
It comes down to the rules, the building codes. BC, and Vancouver specifically, has its own regulations. Think seismic safety, specific venting for our damp climate.
Ah, okay. So local guys know those specific rules.
Exactly. They know what's needed to install a tank safely and legally here. That's huge for compliance.
Yeah.
And safety, of course.
Got it. And then there's the speed factor, right? The sources mention 24/7 availability. Their numbers 604-652-9468 for emergencies.
Right. If your tank lets go at 2 a.m., you don't want someone driving from hours away.
You need them now.
Precisely. A local team, someone based right here in the Lower Mainland, can just get to you much, much faster. That minimizes damage, get your hot water back sooner. It's crisis management, basically.
Okay, so local means they know the rules and they're quick in emergencies. Makes sense. How does this tie into the benefits for, your wallet and your comfort?
Well, a properly installed tank, one that meets local codes, just works better from the start. And that leads right into the good stuff, the benefits.
Like saving money, the sources talk about efficiency.
Oh yeah, big time. Newer tanks are just way better at holding heat compared to old ones. Less energy wasted.
So upgrading helps your bills.
Definitely. If you go for an Energy Star model, the sources suggest you could save up to 20% on your water heating costs each year.
20%?
Yeah, it's significant. It's good for your budget and, good for the planet too. A real win-win.
Okay, but new tanks cost money up front. What about just taking care of the one you have? Does maintenance really save cash?
Absolutely. That's all about making the tank last longer. Regular service is key.
Like what kind of service?
The main thing is flushing the tank, getting rid of all the sediment, the mineral gunk that builds up inside.
Ah, the gunk.
Right. That stuff makes the heater work way harder, wastes energy, and can cause failures. Flushing it out helps the tank run efficiently and can push its lifespan up to, say, 15 years or maybe even more.
So you avoid that sudden, huge bill for a brand new tank when you weren't expecting it.
Exactly. Plus, you get reliable hot water day in, day out. That's the comfort benefit. No surprises.
Speaking of avoiding surprises, the sources also mention drain cleaning and something called poly B replacement. What's that about? Sounds specific.
It is specific and very relevant locally. Poly B is this type of gray plastic pipe used a lot in homes here from the 70s to the 90s.
Okay.
And it's notorious for failing without warning, causing major leaks, major damage.
Yikes.
Yeah. So a good local plumbing service like Pacific Blue Mechanical knows to look for this stuff. It's about protecting your whole home system, not just the water heater. It's that deeper local knowledge again.
That's really good context. So while we wait for the experts for the big stuff, are there simple things you can do yourself?
Yeah, the sources mention a couple of easy checks. First, just keep an eye on the temperature setting.
What should it be?
Around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 49 Celsius. That's usually a sweet spot, hot enough, but saves energy and reduces scalding risk.
Okay, 120F. And the second thing?
Just look for small leaks. Check the pipes and connections around the tank every now and then. Catching a small drip early saves a big headache later.
Simple enough. All right, let's wrap this up. What did we learn today?
Well, I think it boils down to this. Local experts, like the ones at Pacific Blue Mechanical, know the specific Vancouver and BC codes. That means safe, compliant work.
And they get there fast in emergencies.
Right. And then the payoff. Regular maintenance and smart upgrades mean you save money on energy, your tank lasts way longer, and you just get that reliable, comfortable hot water you need.
And here's a final thought based on the data. Upgrading from an old tank to a new high-efficiency one. It could cut your home's total water heating energy use by maybe 24% to 34%.
That's huge. Think about that potential reduction. It really shows the value of having a well-maintained system installed by pros who know the local situation.
Absolutely. And remember, all this insight came from the experts at Pacific Blue Mechanical. You can find more on their website, including info on those other services like drain cleaning and that important poly B replacement.
Definitely worth checking out if you're in the Lower Mainland.
Thanks for tuning in to The Deep Dive. Until next time.